What's up on the time? When I just try, when I just try. When I drop a song, I go need to dance. They walk out to the get it, to do my price. Then I find the sound, I'm on the sound. I no get the name, I no sing the sound. Sound, Mr. Money sound. I want the precise, I want the precise.
For my city gone, you know be run from who you are, man. Waiting go be man is cast the stone. But do bello alone for us and do. But why they titi mo they sham you? I do bello alone to come yo. Kale ma shon kale she kale ma yo. Oh you alone. My mama leave me yeah you no long. Lost myself and I found my purpose. Yeah every day I know that I am blessed. Tonight because you love me. Yeah they can do me. Nothing man no face. Vibe today. These kind of things in our life.
Guys, into ngikhathele yona. Agumamomozi. Namhlanje Jimini, it was the craziest today. so ngithola i-crowd entsha because ngabe ngesikhathi esi-different. So uma ungena in the change room uyabona nje ungena erumini nje kuvele kushukume nje amantombazana niyawazi kanjani. But-ke azange banaka ungahamba ngayojima laphana ngaphandle. Ngilapha ngicala ku-treadmill as usual. Guys, mangifika laphaya ku-treadmill, it was empty. But ngithe mase ngibheke emuva kunalo machine lo we-cycling lona ngikhohle igama lawo. Mase ngibheke emuva akumadoda agcwele la emuva ene babukele mina because labantu bebaphambi kwami nabo amadoda. Guys, I was surrounded by men and lapha la ngijima khona kujima abantu abesifazane kakhulu but abantu besilisa they come. So ingcondo yami iyabuya ukuthi shit izolo konje ngifutile ngayenza amawarawara eneshem bengenze ezinye. I was testing out new stuff. Ngihleli lana angihlelanga nje mala. So igedla lami alidlali guys, likhuluma kayiwani livele lingishiye nje ngiphemile. So bengisamtshela ngithi yazi baba kukanje nakanje endumbeni, and then uyangitshela ukuthi bazoyimela yini. No, ubaba sekamdala ke lo guys, ngake nganiqoqela istory sakhe but uye umuntu oyigedla lami. Bathi sangoma fuze sibe negedla, sangoma fuze sibe negedla, yabo. So iminye imithi emibi nani namanje khona umuntu ofuna isichitho, you understand. So mangintshela ukuthi ezinye izinto izinto ziyabiza guys, and lo muntu lo phela sumuntu wala. So kumele silungise imithi, understand ukuthi naye ulinda ukuthi ubuye la ubuya khona, fike kuye orahambe mele ayofuna, understand. And bese uyangithakela. So sekuneminyaka manje ngisebenzisana naye and honestly ngiyamthemba. Uze washo kimi wathi wena ngiyazi ukuthi imithi entsha uyithandi, sekwenze njani makhosi. So ngiyamtshela ngithi hey baba, abantu bami bangijikele abasafuni nje inhlobo, bafuna nje into ebhekane nabo, bafuna nje ukuthi bona bayenze. So I'm just happy nje ukuthi he's been such a force in my spiritual journey because he mentors me. There was a point I even wanted to bring him on the podcast, but he's not interested. Like akaithandi fame. He's not interested. He doesn't care about fame. But when it comes to imithi, he's very much knowledgeable. Umuntu omdala ikhehla lo muntu engikhuluma ngaye is not a young person. Umuntu omdala, he's very much knowledgeable when it comes to into ezifana njengalesi. So umuntu ozothi no yenza so, you understand. So thina sisaqhuba leya system yakudala ukuthi sangoma mele sibe negedla, you understand. I have a herbalist, ngiye pharmacy, nizala kimi ngindiagnose bese ngiye pharmacy mina. So if pharmacy yami guys iyadura, it doesn't come cheap, you understand. Ngiyazi ukuthi imithi aza nayo iphume ezandleni ezinjani, you understand. Ngiyazi ukuthi imithi iphume ezandleni ezinjani. So izolo uthumele imithi ne uthe khona into engikuthakele yona. So ithi ngiyizame, ngiyathaka laphayana, uthi ungithakele lento leyo siyizame sibone ukuthi ihamba njani, yabo. So fine into khona ngiyathatha ngiyafutha ngenzani. Hi guys, yazi abantu bazothi ubuthakathi lezi zinto lezi guys, indlela esasiphila ngayo. You know, you need to be able to manipulate powers and manipulate zonke lezo zinto lezo. So ubaba lo is very much knowledgeable when it comes to things of spirituality, when it comes to imithi, when it comes to into ezifana njengalezo. So he is that one person I know that I can rely on and I can trust when it comes to spirit. I don't trust anybody. Like there's no nyanga I trust, there's no gedla I trust, there's no sangoma I trust apart from him, because I've seen that he's well knowledgeable. So it's been years. So you can imagine how long I've known this person. So namanje lezi zinto zenu lezi engintshela ngazo lezi bengintshela ukuthi izibambelelo nani uyo othumelayo uyathumela. Ngiyantshela ukuthi baba ngifuna into enje nje ngifuna into nakanje, because mina ngisho mina mele ngiku pharmacist yami, you understand. So it's very important ukuthi isangoma sibe negedla. That's why kudala isangoma besishada negedla. Yabona fana njengalo gogo, ugogo lo engimthwasile, ugogo was married to into gedla kanike mang ntate phahla ngaka ya setso wa tlhaloganya and then le ngogwe le ne lingaka ne but ntate mogolo na le well vested kontong tsa meriane ntho tse jwalo bona na le well invested kontong tsa meriane eng so when I started my journey, it's when then you later on discovered ukuthi when you're tapping into isikhwama sakalo, you're actually tapping into isikhwama sakalo. Like you understand ukuthi it's a lot of things. It's just good to me I'm not that invested in that, but umkhulu loyana helped ignite that part of my journey. Like I hope I'm making sense to you. I know I'm talking about a lot of things, but I'm just tired, guys. It's just been a long day. I'm drained, but work has to work. At the end of the day, we have to go on. So namanje bengisakhuluma naye understand kunezinto engikhonayo because guys imithi yahlonishwa and kunezinto mina engikhonayo kuzenza but ezinye engakhona ukuzenza ezisuke zifuna ukhakhaya ngathi liqinile ngiyakuya ubaba because ngiyamthemba ukuthi no he can actually do this. So imithi guys iyadura, I don't want to lie. Like mangakubonisa ama transaction wethu ukuthi from January to December how much we spend within each other, it is crazy because it works, you understand that, and it's reliable and in so imithi sile ikhona unayo imithi klini unayo kuya ngawo awuve ngithi he's my herbalist, he is umuntu that I go to. So that's why uthola abanye abantu umuntu kanti igedla umuntu sekazitshintsha azenza isangoma, you know, kanti you're a herbalist, you are there to like you're a pharmacist. It's like a doctor going to a pharmacist. You're a pharmacist, I understand that. But now these days I'm a pharmacist way too. They want to also go into the doctor's room and be doctors, you understand, and they manipulate the system somewhat. So I don't know what life has become, but it is what it is. So I need to go and rest because tomorrow is another busy day. And lava busisa abazile abagcabiwe namhlanje nginphile ama instruction ngicela ukuthi ni oblige kuwo kusasa Friday ngisazohambisa ama order wenu nini odile ama combo nina nisabhuka for ama consultation guys. Inamba yethu yabona bebathi iyabhoma ifone kubiya bhoma like ingathi like angazi kwenzakalani yabo, and Saturday angazi ngathi ngimele ngibile emanzini like kuningi guys, kuningi guys, kuningi la ngaphandle. Yazi over ngithi the more ukhule ebunyangeni the more ubona izinto. Like mangisaqala lo msebenzi lona ngunyaka omuqala nganginingi engasile nje ehlanyayo ngavala le ndumba mina mangibuya uthwasa ngathi angeke ngize ngisebenze ngathi labo gogo bayangistressa kwayale and then on top of that bangibamba bogogo bathi uyahlanya emadlozini wami ngisho kune president, ipresident yethu unkomo. So if unkomo uyakuthanda or if unkomo uyak-approve or unkomo then we know, or unkomo uthi yes then we know ukuthi things are okay, but unkomo hardly approves everything. She's the strictest bad bitch, like ngimbiza nge-bad bitch because she's strict, like I understand. So in this journey ke ngaqala ngasebenza. Mangisaqala ukusebenza guys, it was hard. I remember ifirst kit yami ngayithatha from my gobela angazi muthi angazi next angisho phela. It's another thing ukwazi umuthi, but it's another thing to put it together because izandla zakho you are transferring your energy, you are transferring your powers. Kunezinto that you speak into those mutis. Guys, I remember my first client, into ngangithuke yona, thinking, oh my gosh, ngizomtshelani. I understand that thing because now the codependency. But looking back, kwaba 1 year, kwaba 5 years, kwaba 7 years, and then now look how far we've come. And I will forever be grateful to Gobela wam, like ngiyamthanda. Sometimes, but ngiyamthanda ngenhliziyo yami yonke because if it wasn't for yena I doubt ukuthi ezinye izinto kube zenzekile. You understand that? Because lo muntu yana wangibamba isandla. If it wasn't for yena, like I doubt, yabo. So ngiphekekile mina guys, ngiphekekile idlozi lingiphekile. Yabona, that's why ngithi ngitshela abantu ngithi kunentwaso kamoya bese kunentwaso yedlozi. Sorry, kunentwaso yokuthwasa bese kunentwaso yedlozi. And then most people get trapped. Uvela ucaca velo uma ngabe idlozi lingekho kuwe. So I don't want to go into another teaching spree, but ngikhathele guys, and angeke ngeke ukuthatha umsebenzi edlozi, angeke ngeke ukuhlabela abaphansi ukuphila kwami kusedlozini, ukuphila kwami kusedlozini, angeke ngeke ukuthatha idlozi, angeke ngeke ukuhlabela because ukuphila kwami kusedlozini, and that's a fact. Like, I am nothing without my ancestors. I don't want to lie to you. I am nothing. I would rather lose everything than lose my ancestors. Yabona noba bangathi bangishite. Yabona ngamane wathatha zonke impahla zami, but indumba yami iyeke nje enjalo. Iyeke nje. Ngangena lana nginesiphika esi1. Sikokodelo ebondini. Ngu-empty lana ngihleli neheater neqansi eli1. Njengoba namhlanje sikuphenduke kwaMayimayila. So ningayiboni ave ngithi abantu ningayiboni maningena la nithola ukuthi siyasebenza lana sindumba yeslay queen le ngiyasebenza mangilana ngisemsebenzini that's why ngihlezi ngitshela abantu ngithi mangisendumbeni ngunkomo. I'm not Mpobadimu, I am not Michelle, I am not the gift, I am not like ngunkomo. Hey guys, ziyabuya. So mina ngiyabonga man, I don't want to lie to you. If anything, life is beautiful. I'm grateful every day. Idlozi likhona, and ungasabi man ukwenza izinto man. As long as uNkulunkulu nawe namadlozi akini banawo ungasabi ukwenza izinto. Siyayiva. So guys, bye bye. I need to go rest. Loves, welcome to the last part of the vlog, but by the time you be seeing this, I'll be out of the house because baby, I'm going to a dinner party. So remember the old friend of mine I told you about? Let me give you a little bit of the backstory. So we went to high school together and we lost each other when we went to varsity. She went her way, I went my way, and then we later on reconnected to only disconnect again, and then fast forward, she sees me on TV, she tracks me down, and then we started talking again. So she went to study, and after that she went into the real estate business. And then she was now, you know, in the real estate, you know, for selling for agencies, until this one day she met a buyer. So this buyer was basically relocating from Germany to South Africa to start business, blah blah blah, but then Cape Town, because yeah, it was just there's a long story around that. But anyway, he wanted to set up business in Cape Town in the real estate, bloody. So you know how pricey the houses there are, and baby, if a man is looking for a house in Camps Bay, you need to know that he's coming. So fast forward, the buyer buys the house, and in the long run he ends up being interested in her, and fast forward, they get engaged and they got married. So she is basically married to this German real estate mogul who is based in Cape Town, and they're living a fairly good life. You know, if there's one thing, I love couples that thrive together and make money. If anything, that is the type of partner I want. I want somebody who is money minded, like come up with ideas for us to make money. Let's, strategize on how to make money, because I love money. I don't think I can function in a relationship where there is no money, or I am being deprived of money, because there's something called financial abuse, So I don't want to be caught up in financial abuse. I love the finer things in life, and baby, it is not gonna come from eating crumbs and bread and tea. No. So anyway, So they are having a dinner party. The husband is hosting a dinner party for himself and the colleagues, blah blah blah, because they're actually flying out to Cape Town tomorrow. So the dinner party is today. So a while ago, I went to the construction award. So because I checked out the guests, she showed me the guest list. So some of the people, the moguls there in the industry of constructions are going to be there. I can't drop names, and some moguls in the property space are going to be there today. So the dinner party is a themed situation. So I am dressed to the theme. I don't like looking dull. I always like to look good and stand out. But she said, no, Paul, come, we'll catch up and maybe probably use this opportunity as an opportunity to network, because that is good. I always find myself in these corporate spaces or business oriented spaces. I think it is a calling. I should probably change my view, and just, open my spectrum. So I am not closing off anything this year. If anything, I am trying everything. And I believe everything is happening because it needs to. So dinner is supposed to be starting at 8. So we still have a long night ahead of us. I know that for a fact. Because, darling, a whole dinner with a whole planned out meals, and there's gonna be a chef cooking there, a private location. I can't wait. I don't know when was the last time I actually been to such a space whereby it's so intimate, so rich, and so special. So if anything, they're actually doing well for themselves. So I will not be able to vlog because of the profile of people I'm going to be engaging with today. I don't want to be seen there with the phone looking cheesy or looking, I don't want that. Today I need to be a lady and be professional. So, but she invited me to Cape Town. That's the good part. So very soon I should be traveling down to Cape Town and see what we can do right there, because she's like, Paul, you need to come down to Cape Town. Joburg is so dry. There's so many things that you can look at, and then maybe we can see what we can do, So I think I need to give that a chance. If anything, I'm a virgin, I am young, I am beautiful, I just need to live a little. I just need to live a little. But if anything, she married well, baby. she married well. I mean, a man that takes care of you and takes care of your, like, that generational wealth that is there. Baby, that's the language we need to have with our partners. If you are going in a relationship, understand what is his goal. So I am going to be doing that. But today I wanted to have a little chit chat before I finish getting ready so I can prepare to go. So I am not going to be driving. I'm so happy about that. Anything that involves me not driving, I am here for it, baby. So listen up. You need to meet yourself halfway. And when I say this, I mean this in the most gentlest and the most brutal way. You need to envision the person you want to become and meet that girl halfway. Always live like her, talk like her, think like the person you want to become. You can't want to become a better version of yourself, but you are thinking low of yourself. You're not taking yourself seriously. You are not seeing yourself as how you want to be. You need to start with the little things. Meet yourself halfway. Put in the effort, put in the energy, and meet yourself halfway. You can't meet yourself halfway with toxic cycles that you still are carrying on and all of that. For example, today, after I was leaving gym, I went to get some few things for myself, and I bumped into some guy I used to date a while ago. It was an old relationship. So he sees me and he's like, oh my gosh, he's driving a nice Merc and all of that. And Paul, you look so good. I'm like, yeah, I look good. What's up? He's like, what's up? I'm like, what's up? And he's like, starts blabbing on me, and he's like, I really fumbled with you, Paul. I really fumbled. Like, you are, the more you grow, the finer you are becoming. And if there's anything I can ask, can you give me a chance to prove myself? Now I feel I'm matured. And I looked at him like, nigga, please. You can't come with me with that language. I don't want to hear it. Baby, you had me. You had me and you fumbled me. You never saw what I was when I was right here in front of you. You know, okay, at that time I was still a lover girl. But I was there with him. I was dating him, and he he was having qualms with me being a sangoma, and he was just trying to change me, and not in a good way, and trying to put his own narrative of how I should be, and I was still fresh to get ebungomeni at that time, after I left that relationship with that Nkulukutu I was dating. So if anything, I told him that I'm a different person now. Will you be able to handle me? And I asked him, will you be able to afford me? Like those questions were very valid. Will you be able to afford me? And he's like, no, Paul, and go for 10,000. I'm like, I don't need 10,000, baby. I make it in Pansy. I make that money for myself. So what are you actually bringing to the table? But the conversation was just showing me that, you can't go back to situations that were not good for you and expect you to be great and expect you to be better for yourself. Today, I feel, was also another test. He looks good. He's driving a nice car, and he does look like he's doing well for himself. And but I could see that it was not because I feel like I've always been such a homely person. I get into a relationship, I look after my partner, I take care of them, I cook for them, I clean for them. But it is when I entered my 30s, I realized that men don't give a fuck. You can kneel, you can cook, you can clean. They don't give a fuck. Don't give person wifely allowance on a girlfriend budget, because like I've seen that. You cannot give that part. You cannot. That part is reserved for your husband. You need to kneel for your husband. You need to do all those things for your husband. You see the man that's gonna say, baby, I am coming, I'm bringing the cattle. So loves, this is me signing out and actually taking myself seriously. Wish me luck, and I hope I really network with some cool people today, because amongst everything else, also this thing like basically teaches you about life. You need to go into such spaces clued up about what's happening with the markets, about what's happening with those things, so you can understand when I'm saying to you that when you level up in your life, the things you consume need to also level up. You need to get into a room and be able to hold a conversation with such people, because they're not going to come in there and talk about TikTok. They're not going to come in there and talk about but you also need to be in that feminine energy, and don't go there and be now a dictionary and want to take out all these big vocabularies and all of that. Let yourself be yourself, but also be knowledgeable, in the spaces that you are in and the people that you're going to interact with. For example, I'm going to be hanging out with people in the construction space, in this and that. Already I did a bit of research, but I'm just tipping you, if you know that you're going to be engaging with people of such caliber, you need to research about their spaces so that your language can actually elevate, instead of you getting there and they're like, you know how they are, because in these types of settings they just hold these little groups and they talk about these things, and they have this expensive laughs. So imagine if you're just a pretty girl standing there, you look like you've been booked for the night. So you need to be actually able to have a conversation about something. So even the things that you are consuming as a person, they need to tell a story about you. Like once you start understanding the power of leveling up, the power of taking yourself seriously, the power of pouring into yourself. For example, even how you dress. People treat you how you dress. People respond to you. Them level up in such a way that you feel like when you look at your old self, you cringe. Like, who is that? What was she doing? That's how much you need to level up. So that's why I'm saying the spaces you want to be in, the people you want to be around, invest in that type of information. Like, watch those type of things so that your mind and your universe is programmed to the kind of life that you want. And the mind is something else. Thoughts become things. So you want to be a high value woman, treat yourself like a high value woman, dress like a high value, talk like a high value woman, take yourself seriously. It's the little things that matter. I'm not saying wake up every day, put concealer, just being put together, draw an eyebrow, do your lashes, get out the house, your hair looks good, your nails are done, you look good. Imagine, for example, I look like this, and then two-piece ya linen, yabona ama two-piece lawa ilinen le material le sheet ufaki two-piece njalo, the two-piece is even iyatsenela ko di rooping, wabona that thing ne when you are wearing pants and they just shrivel up there, ufake ni kwai, a baby kwai and that person is just there, and I step in the room, automatically there's a different response. I am oozing femininity, I am oozing grace, I am oozing, and also I step in the room like this, and somebody with baggy jeans and sneakers and but she did a bust down, she looks good, but also the response will be the same. So today I'm also going there to present myself as this, because I don't want to be looked at anything outside of that, you know what I mean? And I need to be able to blend in. You need to fit in. Like, there are people Sandton, but feeling Sandton is too high market. Baby, there is no high market there. It's people like you and I, but they want the finer things in life. Take that leap of faith. If when I afford a Mr. Price afford the fix, take that money. Palama Uber, go and shop at Sandton City. Buy those things there. For the fact that you are immersing yourself in that environment. The environment is different. And you're gonna want that. Accustom yourself to nice things. Accustom yourself to going to restaurants whereby there's a 4-course meal instead of restaurants snacks dingy, where there's a 4-course meal. You're served by a waiter who pours your drink for you. You are served by somebody that asks you, ma'am, are you okay? Not the restaurant alone, but how are you? I don't want that, but that's the service we get when you go to Spare, but we can't judge. There's nobody that comes for ribs like Spare. But my point is, you make yourself accustomed to the kind of life that you want. You start with what you have, and you're gonna watch how the universe responds to you. Watch how the universe responds to you. Waban obele pine gel mo kuntung ukoropan ka pine gel. Pine gel ke phela, it's a smell of poverty. I made a decision, Lena, at some point. This is the smell you get when you go to public hospital. This is the smell you get when you go to clinic. And then I want the same smell in my home. Diffuser, so that's how I'm saying you can start with what you have so that you aspire to what you want. Make your space look good. You start like pep home. If I Mr. Price, guys, that's like you can't be sleeping on yourself this year. Invest in yourself. So it's the little things that change how you think, how you talk, how you respond to life, and how you see things. The type of environment that you cannot be aspiring to wanna go shake your ass on a yard when na usa thabisa kulo dula kumabaso until letsatsi le hlahe. My scat uyomamela bo lihlesa but and then you are there in the car. No. We don't do that. We don't. I'm not also saying age yourself, because bakhona amantombazana bazigugisayo bazenza bomama babancane. Angithi mina bomama la. I'm saying live in your age. Ungazozenza umama so ngathi ugugile una 50. So hamba so your decorum lokuziphatha kwakho ubumama. You must be a fine girl. Fine shit. You know, you must be that. Don't age yourself, guys. But anyway, I will sit here talk for hours. I have a dinner party to get through. I'm gonna start sweating. So figure out I can't. So I love you guys, and look after yourself. Take care of yourselves. I can't wait to see you tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm going for my braces. So today I think I'm gonna go hard on the food, because tomorrow these are getting fixed. So I also can't wait to see my doctor. Although I did not use my elastics. That's the secret I'm going to tell you. I did not use my elastics last December. December was just busy, but I didn't use my elastics as how I needed to. So I can't wait to go for my brace appointment today. So I'll see you on the next vlog. We're still on this journey. Day 8 was spectacular and is about to get nicer. Bye. Go on with it. Go on with it. So we are coming in with a force, yeah. Blessing the reap and we coursing on foot. Oh, we rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks that we need it the most. We have to give thanks that we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all from the life and